Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to find page break. So as example, I will press enter button to create new page, and the other I will use the page break, like I will click at this point, go to insert and then click page break. Also at this point, I will set page break. Now if you want to find the page break, you can active for the paragraph mark. Go to Home tab and then click these icons to active the paragraph mark. And you can see there are page break in this page. And you can scroll down again. You have the page break. And if you want to delete the page break, you can click at this point and you can press backspace to delete the page break. I will click again this page mark to hide the mark. So to find again, you can use this paragraph mark to view the page break. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to find page break. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.